Alright, man, what's good, YouTube, man? Y'all can see, man, we back with another, man. We getting POV today, you know what I'm saying? In the Hellcat. It's been a little minute since I've been on YouTube, man. It's been 2024. The first day of 2024, man, so we gonna start it out right. I got a whole lot of stuff coming, man. I got the Dodge direct connection tune kit for my car. I'm taking it to Atlanta. I'm gonna get that installed on it real soon. I'll probably take it up there like the 19th. I don't know. Probably the end of the month. But we got a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff coming. I done did a lot of stuff to the car. Yeah. So I need y'all to lock in with me. There's just somebody that whine. I was gonna get the direction stage kit before, but like I'm really just trying to do something different. Like everybody always do the same thing, so like man, we honestly, I'm trying to get the cartoon. Like that's my biggest goal. Cause I want to see what the direction connection kit do. I want to see like I want to put it up against like a regular Hellcat and see how much of a power gain like it really does. You know what I'm saying? But in my next video, I'm gonna like show y'all all the stuff like that come in it. The pulley, it got like a bigger pulley. A whole lot of other stuff that go in the engine. Like I don't know, but like it got like a tuning kit and everything. But I'm gonna for sure put that in my next video though. I ain't gonna play with these boys 2024. Anybody lying up with me, man, they gonna get dealt with for real. And I don't even race like that. I like treat my car like a baby for real. But if anybody want that smoke, I'm gonna have to give it to them. You might have your passenger princess on the side, and you gonna get it bad while she in there though. You dig? But man, we gonna start this year out right, man. Like I need y'all to go follow me on my Instagram too, like for real. I'm at like 13K on Instagram, but we finna do the same thing for YouTube. I put all my work into Instagram, and I barely post on YouTube, but like, all that finna stop. Like I'm being even with both. I'm putting something on YouTube and I'm putting something on Instagram. For real. Boy, I love this car so much. Like, I done had four challenges that day. I had a V6, 5.7, 6.4, now I got the Hellcat. I don't know if I'm gonna get another one or not. I want to get a Demon, but you know, my YouTube blow up, you know what I'm saying? We can make that happen, but until further notice, I probably won't get another vehicle until I invest in real estate. Like that is my goal for 2024. We're gonna try to make that happen, even if it don't happen in 2024. Like we gonna make it happen. I done spent so much bread on this car, y'all just don't know. I love this car so much, and all my money going to it. Well, not all of it, but you know what I'm saying? I'm still stacking at the end of the day. But like, what I'm saying, I done put a lot of money into my car. So yeah, I just like I paid $3,000. Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna tell y'all that in the next video. I ain't gonna need room with it. I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna break down every detail, how much horsepower it's supposed to give, the final cost of the labor and the parts. Cause I only got the parts. I got it, like I told you, I gotta take it to Atlanta and get all the stuff installed. But it's really just a blessing though, man. I'm able to like have fun in my dream car. You know, some people just caught on to the little Hellcat way, the die way, but like, I actually been liking this car since I was a kid. Even when I was back like 6th, 7th grade, like I always used to just like challenges. You know, and then they came out with the Hellcat. I remember I used to see one in traffic, man, so I used to be just stunned just seeing it. But it's just a blessing that I was able to get this car when I was 24 years old of age. And like people always think like, dang man, like how you get right there, man. You look at this, but like honestly, man, I done put so much work in. Like as soon as I got out of high school, I went to college. I was a full-time college student. And I worked 2 jobs. And then when I got my first V6 Challenger, like for real. But shout out to Mom Dukes though. She did help me though. You feel me? If I was slipping somewhere, you know, I was still working 2 jobs, but you know what I'm saying? She helped me get that car though. For real. So shout out to Mom Dukes. But yeah, man, y'all really want something in life. It's always, you know what I'm saying, work for it. Be grateful where you at. And just always be a genuine person, man. Everything gonna come back tenfold, you know what I'm saying? Everything. Just be you, you know what I'm saying? Just be you. But on to it, man, we finna get like a little POV. I gave y'all like a little motivational talk. So now we finna get like a POV drive on the Sony camera. So I'ma see y'all when I see y'all. Oh, and another thing, like I just like broke it halfway down to y'all, but like I am gonna drop a video on how much I pay for my car. How it really, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna break it all into details if y'all want to know how to actually own one of these vehicles. I'm breaking everything down to you. Like, I'm 4 in a row, you know what I'm saying? So I know what I'm talking about. You feel me? I know what I'm talking about. So y'all listen to me. I know what I'm saying. So subscribe. Give me about 10 more subscribers. Give me the 200. I'm dropping them, man. Everything. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm gonna, like, you know, some of these YouTubers, man. Like when I was on YouTube, when I was trying to see how much Hellcat payment was, everybody really lying. It was on the one person I thought that just kept it a book. One person, not everybody. But honestly, I'm gonna give y'all the truth. So yeah, back on to the POV, whatever. Man, that Corsa intake so freaking loud. I got it. Oh, it's stupid loud. I got so much stuff in my lens, bro. Let me get this out my lens. Alright, so man, we back, man. I had to wash my lens. I had some dust and dirt in it. Had it all messed up. But we back on the POV. But back to what I was saying, man. Like the Corsa cold air intake is crazy loud. Chick-fil-A. Man, what's the odds somebody just pulling up right there when I just want to pull out? Bro, that leg maker ain't got nothing on the Corsa. Like it's 3 times it's like it's way more than the leg maker. I'm stuttering, but it's way more than a leg maker, bro. And I swear, it's like stupid loud. It must sound like a jet. But we in traffic, man. So it's the first day of the year. Yeah, ain't nobody out really. It's kind of dead out. You see everybody with their family. Letting it all soak in. Yeah, you made it to 2024, man. Y'all get on y'all grind, man. You should stop procrastinating and just get on your grind. Do what you gotta do. Cause this shit right here can change your whole life. Stack that bread up, man. Get in the gym, whatever you trying to do, like accomplish, like make it happen this year, like with all the procrastinating, cause you gonna be in the same place you were last year if you just procrastinating. You feel me? You ain't gonna feel like a bum. But I ain't gonna lie though, I haven't got lazy, man. But I'm back on that grind mode. I'm back in the grind mode. Back on the grind. And we off. And we have stopped. And we're gonna be off again. I really would push it right up here, but like be too many cops right up here. I ain't got time for all that. I ain't trying to get no speeding ticket because I don't need my insurance going on. But it was not. Hey, I do not encourage speeding. Do not speed. Don't speed. For real. If you do speed, man, like don't go too fast. Like. Especially around other folk, man. Like, don't put nobody else's life in danger because of your stupidity. If you gonna do it like on a back road somewhere. Oh, and you gotta have some good tires. That's how you save yourself. I got good tires on my car, so if I want to downshift that mother, third gear, second gear, and just let off, it just gonna stay in line. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. I hope y'all hear them pops. Take this out here. I got this up for you. I need to see that speedometer. That's what y'all need to be seeing right there. You feel me? Now look at this car. All on the edge, like, come on, bro. Do better. Do better. But I'm not gonna lie, man. This Hellcat is like really like fun car. It really is. And honestly, I don't think it's very few cars that can beat the stock. Very few, like very few. You like really get like $300,000 worth of horsepower out of a $80,000-$70,000 vehicle. Like it's crazy. I just love this American muscle though, man, for real. Man really just passed me. That boy just don't know. That boy really just don't know how I do it to him. Yeah, I see the views though, like the sun is looking fantastic. Yeah, that thing like that for real. Yeah, made that boy get on them brake. I scared him. Boy, I didn't know what that was. I see what it was. He was getting over, trying to go down the center. That's all. I ain't did nothing special. want y'all to see that gas hand too, like, man. I just filled my car last night. It's in track, so. Get on this road over here. We finna add bag a little bit, not too much though. Not too much. Man, just why these two cars that had to follow me this way, bro? Like, dang, I just could have kept straight. I hope y'all hear them pop. Alright, y'all see it in second gear, right? What I did. Alright, man, just like leave a comment and like just leave a comment and like let me know what y'all want to see. Like, I am not trying to do the same thing everybody else doing. That's why we finna get the car tuned. But hey, I am finna put some red seat belts in my car though, like. And like, I just want y'all to know too, these cloth seats I got in my car, they ain't like the cloth seats that come in like a Scat Pack or like a V6. Like, they 10 times softer, and then like the texture is like 10 times blacker, blacker than like the regular cloth seats. But honestly, if like you into racing, these would be like the perfect seat. I honestly don't have a problem with the seats, but in every car I get, I redo my seats red. But I honestly don't know what color. I might keep these until like the summer. I'm gonna keep these until the summer. I'm finna get the red seat belts put in, and I'm finna get the tune put in. I'm finna get the cartoon, new pulley, a new thermostat. I think a transmission tune, all that good stuff, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back with y'all on another one.